Yo, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we're cooking Tricia'S chicken adobo. I'm super excited to show you one of the dishes I grew up eating a lot of. This recipe is super simple. I have my own steps of how I built this dish. Adobo has very few ingredients. Now every Filipino household or every Filipino mom's, aunts, tita, babies have their own ways of cooking this dish. To start off, I marinate my chicken with soy sauce and garlic. 12 cloves of garlic, red onion, dato puti, soy sauce, and cane vinegar. We have dried bay leaves, black pepper, red chili, and Mamacita's garlic oyster sauce. I'm using a saucepan with medium-high heat. Start pouring your oil. Give it a swirl. Add your chili flakes. Freshly ground black pepper. Pan fry our chicken, then don't forget to set aside the marinade because we're going to be using that for later. We'll be frying this for about 1 to 6 minutes depending on your meat quality. Even though we're using very little ingredients, it's still something unlike I've never had. You are basically just going to leave it as is until all the oil from the chicken comes out, and you just fry it off itself until it's somewhat in this texture. After this, we're going to set aside the meat and get the pan ready for sauteing. You're going to start sauteing your red onion and your garlic, and then later on we're going to add the meat. I usually tend to take out the excess oil just because I don't want to overwhelm my dish with too much oil action. And I know some people like that, but in this dish we're going to try to control that. I'm saving some of our garlic and onion so we can use it for our garlic adobo fried rice. Now start adding your liquids. This is part of our chicken marinade soy sauce. I also added half cup of cane vinegar in this mix. Add your bay leaves. Don't be afraid to add a little bit of water to control the reduction. It's time for our garlic oyster sauce. I'm adding about this much. Some people like to use brown sugar or sugar just to give it a little sweetness to it. Every Filipino uses sugar on every dish. I like using garlic oyster sauce just to give it a little thickness to my sauce. Look at this beauty. Yep, my house definitely smells like adobo, and that makes me feel at home. That's it. Easy, right? Serve it with hot rice. Enjoy your meal.